Hello viewers, now I will teach you how to avoid unexpected delay when loads a winform due to a large number of data that have to be loaded from database. Let's look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. After 19 seconds this form loads. It's not a good approach. This delay is because of this combo box. Let's look at it. There is a huge number of data in it. Now we will apply a technique so that we can reduce this delay. Hurry up. Look at it. There is a very simple solution of this. Just replace combo box with text box. I replaced already, right? Now first look at the results. Let's see. I just reload the page. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Reloaded. Okay? In a very short time page reloaded, right? Due to a very small trick, I just replaced the combo box with the text box and then apply autocomplete text feature to it. Let's look at it. I just write D and it give me a list of sellers that are started from D, right? I just write C and it give me a list of sellers that started from C. Now what happens actually? In case of combo box, when I reload the form, combo box will show me all the records that will be in the database. Obviously it will take time, but in case of autocomplete text box, only the record will be there that I will search from here, right? This is the main difference and it will boost our WinForm software performance. That's all from this video. I hope you understand the concept and will apply in your project also. For more tips and tricks, just keep tuned. Thank you.